Noted politician and former Minister of the State, Robert G. Lyngdoh, in a recent conversation with media persons, had informed them that he intended to make a comeback into politics after a 13-year-long break. Lyngdoh also said that while various regional parties had requested him to join them, he refused to do so for fear of their incapability to deliver. There were also suggestions to him for the forming of a new national party. Lyngdoh added that he is confident with the Congress party and therefore has decided that he would rejoin the Indian National Congress very soon.
Gibon gibala phone nga gibon kendo nga phewon wan biang te nga ada kata la benon rungu ke sitom ne dengan perkata namentaka jet benriu namentaka jela te banyak kentaj umlong te ngai aka jing start jo banalor te mentak sidon tang hindiat ki health issues kiba ngan haban overcome te overcome kita melarai ngan rung parti menta ke kongres ke kongres itu te apa deng persiang lapet kiwi te ngapet dulu lese la ne men penyeteli katu kani teli ki parti riulum jungi ni dah kemudian besok man penduk ya identiti jungki kemudian bakwa te mereka kisah bikin job election sudah kisah parti rupa job election te man penduk man siam stom te hadin ka change nak ka dispensation apa kongres wando ba Vincent pala urwani kendo yang te parin gitu ni bamanta te asko saat hing rem hi gi thamai tam tip hei bu mulo hei bu sini empat ya habia tuat swa te ada orang bawa lebih suka semberim hi